Hi, this is Ram here again, and welcome to PropGod.com product demo. This is the second part of the demo, and I'm going to talk to you about some advanced features we have, and I'll also take you through our product details in terms of the backend and how we update properties. Now, so in the last presentation, I've shown you how you can search our properties and how you can book a property online and you can pay, right? How you can look at multiple properties. Then on the home page, how you can search for properties, right? So now once you've done your property search, the next step would essentially be to customize your property. So you can do interior. These are the services we provide: painting, architectural design, civil works, flooring, and roofing. So if you click one of them, you can just leave an inquiry, book a service. So we are working on this product. This will become a detailed product in some time from now. So you can send the inquiry to us, and we will call you back. So we also have one inquiry number, which is here. You can call this number, and then this is a landline board number, and it takes you to multiple services we provide, and you can talk to the concerned person. So, and then these are the, if I go back, manage. So when we do property management, these are the services we provide. Whichever services you need, you can just click. You can just share your details with us, and we'll take it ahead. This is the collection section. So here what we have done is we have grouped properties which have certain features. So these properties, and for example, a lot of properties with a lot of space come here. Properties which have been posted by property owners come here. It's north and east facing properties. So right, so then you have value for money homes, secured homes. If I just click this and I say view listing, then I should be able to look at all listings. Wait for this to load. This is something which I can see. If I go back to the home page, sorry, this is the home page. Now we also have a product called Investor Club. So if you want to invest in a property, you can just join our club. So this is the club. You can leave your preferences to us, and if I want to do, I can just join, and then I can place my budget, and I can place my property type, my mobile number, and everything else. So, and see, you can also have international. So people from other countries can also join the club. Right? So we have that here. So if I go back. So we have certain links here, so you can watch our Facebook page here, Google page here, LinkedIn profile page here. Let me go back and show you our backend. So how does our backend look like? So this is our backend. Sorry, this is our backend. This is our backend. So here, if I just click map view and I'll show you how many properties we have. This is very interesting, right? So if you see here. So now in the month of March, we have mapped around 778 properties, right? So if I do all properties till date, this is see, this is all properties till date. It shows around 26,000 properties that we have. Then we go back. Let me close down some. Close down some tabs. Maybe that will affect the performance. Okay. Yeah. So if I go and see, for example, here, so whenever we map a project, so we go here, we click in this section, and you can add a new project, and then you can add the builder name. So this is what we do in the backend. Then you have so many parameters which we add, right? These are the inquiries which we get against projects. So this is a site working so well, right? So these are the details of the owner, and see here we have We've also listed on the marketing managers whom we deal, so everything is here, right? So we also have something on coupons. So if you have a nice coupon, you can just put it here, and then that coupon can be used when you book your property. We, as I mentioned, we wanted to give, apart from property, other property related services. So that in that case, we have a lot of service providers listed with us. These are here. This is the database of users. If I click, right, and then if I go to listings, property listings, so all our property listings come here. Right. So the property listing will not show up in search till they are, if they are unpublished. When they are published, they will show in search. And if I see, click this, I can see multiple fields for the listing. So I can, this is that tagline, and this is the address, and you have everything here, right? So if you want, if someone pays us more money, we show it as a featured listing here. So this time. And then we go back and let me look at project map. So if you see, what the one feature which we have is we can map a project on the Google Maps. So it will show exactly the boundary of the project and how it looked like. So that is something which, it's an innovation from our side. And you see, if for example you can create, if I say create map, you can create a map overlay. Right, I can select a unit configure, right, and then you can add and plot it on the map. See, this is actually where the project looks like on the on the map, and I can just take it and put it here. No one else has this feature. So if I click map with geo, so this shows me exactly where exactly our projects are in terms of the location on Google. And so okay, there's some problem with some script somewhere. So so essentially, if I so these are the listings which we have, right? So then you can click one of them, then you know. See here. And here you see everything. So this is what comes in the map, detailed map section. So this is our admin section, and everyone doesn't have access to admin. Only few people have access, and you have people who actually sit in the back end and verify properties. They can only upload properties. Now, if you look at bookings, if people have booked something through us, it comes here. Right, so we don't have any booking of late, so it's not here. It will show here. Then now it's a scalable product, so we can add multiple cities. We have already added these cities, so we should have this, the properties very soon. Similarly, we also add developer profiles. If you see, so I don't think we have added or updated them, so it's not showing here. Otherwise, it should show the list here. Professional resume, I take you through, right? So tags, we have these tags, right? So when, depending on the collections, right, spacious, vastu and stuff like that, so we have tag, right? So I think we are building this, so once we have new tag, we'll add it to all the listings. So this is something called campaign. So whenever we do promotions in Google and we promote our listings there, so this is the campaign page which we design. And so you can just, so this is that link, right? So you can just click the link, new tab. This is how it will show in the Google search, and you can configure this here in the backend here. this is the detailed product thing, right, from the backend perspective. Let me also take you through something which I missed overall. So we have a lot of these quick links. If you just click one of them, you just take, for example, upcoming projects. So I click, you take it through to the upcoming project section, and you can go ahead and check multiple projects here, right? So if you see here, this is the name of the project, this is the locality, this is the type, then you have the specification of the area, then you have the budget, and by when the possession is available. This is something which is there. And so whenever we have implemented continuous results, so it will keep on coming. Nico Homes are like this. If I click, you can go to, so if I want to shortlist, I can. So since I have already logged in, so I can see my shortlist here. At any time, I can take off the shortlist as well. Click, I can take them off. So just close it. Then see, this is a responsive website, so the same thing can be shown on mobile very well. So one way to check responsive is you can just try to collapse stuff like this and see how it looks like. Right? So essentially on a mobile screen it will look like this, right? And then this, when you start typing, so it will show. And if you say, for example, right field, close this, and then in mobile, if I click one of them, name, mobile number, I can just go ahead and. How does a project look like in mobile, for example? Now we'll just look at show. So nice. So click. This is the project. Okay. So I can do much. I think there's a different project which I clicked. I didn't click show by. So whatever, whichever project I click. So for example, if I see here, and this is how it will look like in a mobile phone. Right? But this said, we also have a property seeker app. I'll take you through that in the other demo. Right? So once we have this, we can just go ahead and check out more details, and then we can also leave our inquiries. If I want to leave my inquiry, I click here. Right? If I say send me info, then it will come to me. Right? So I can show you how it comes. It should have already come. Let me open my mail. Let me open my mail. So I think click here. Mail. So this will come. Your interest. This is the mail which I get. Welcome, Ramajaya. Your interest is there. See, there's another one for the one which I did. So we use SendGrid in the backend for sending emails. Okay, so this is something which is done. So we'll go back. Let me show you some other sections of the website. So I took you through more options. I think office option. If you see more option here, homes also have multiple options to search, and then here there is. If you come back, so this is a section where we have testimonials from customers. We should have lots more, but we've just featured some of them. If you want to list your property with us, so you can just click this and yes, contact you. Right, so we currently we list all properties ourselves because we don't want the property quality to go back. Right? So we do that. And then someone will call you. And since I'm already logged in, we always use mobile phones to identify a user. And that's important for us because in the property dealings, especially in India, more than email, people respond on phones. So that's why everything is around mobile phones. So this thing I did not take you through. So you can just like a property here. Right? And goes to shortlist from the search itself. There are multiple links here. You can just click on them and go. So we have a nice schedule section if you want to work with us. So you can look at why you should work and things like that. And Yeah.